In this video, we'll find the whole of this rational function. We started with 2x squared plus 12x plus 10 over x squared minus 3x minus 4 in our previous video. However, also in our previous video, we changed this to factored form. Now that we have the factored form, you may notice that we have the same term on the bottom and top in that there is an x plus 1 on the top and the bottom. Our whole will come from that term that appears on both the top and bottom. We are going to set that term equal to 0. Therefore, we will now say x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we solve this, we'll end up with x equals negative 1. This x we've just found will be the x-coordinate for the whole. However, it's not enough just to get the x-coordinate. We have to have a y-coordinate to go with it. In order to get the y-coordinate, we're going to cancel out the x plus 1 on top and bottom, and then we'll see what's left over. If we cancel out the x plus 1, the x plus 1 is now gone. We have 2 times x plus 5 remaining on top and x minus 4 remaining on the bottom. Now we will let x equal negative 1. Therefore, we will replace both x's in the top and the bottom with negative 1. If we make that replacement, we will have 2 times negative 1 plus 5 on top, and we will have negative 1 minus 4 on bottom. If we do our arithmetic inside the parentheses on top, negative 1 plus 5 gives us 4, times 2 gives us 8. On the bottom, negative 1 minus 4 will give us negative 5. We will say that our y-coordinate is negative 8/5. Therefore, we now have an x of negative 1 and a y of negative 8/5. Therefore, we say the whole is negative 1 comma negative 8/5. Make sure that you include both the x and the y in your solution. It's not enough to just get x. We have to have a y that goes with it. So this is how we find what our whole is in a rational function. We look for terms that cancel out, we solve for x, and then use that x in whatever we have remaining to get y. Note that most rational functions will not have a whole, but some of them will, and I've specifically given you an example here that does.